So welcome to next session, my dear friends. So I hope I have you have learned what is negative delta divergence and how to apply it in live markets. Right now, I am talking about the positive delta divergence. So let me explain with an example here, live example. Look at here, my dear friends. This is the Nifty daily time frame chart. Okay. So let me delete this chart first. So let me place a line here. Do you agree? I think more than 20 times in my webinars or whenever I conducted those webinars, I used to talk about the 11,410 400 to 420 is being a resistance level. Right now, if you look at today, I think some trap was done here. Now again, today morning it has taken out that. Right, today morning it has taken out that. And I told in the previous session, you need to look at the divergence only at the support or resistance. Right now, today morning this has taken out. Once resistance is taken out, it can act as a support. Right now, what should I look at the support now? So what is the support? So it is somewhere around 11,400 to 11,420, that range. Right, so my job is to look at the 30 minutes time frame of Nifty, what was happening there. Right, yes. So look at here, my dear friends, this is today's. So let me add a few more days here so that you don't get confused. This is just last 5 days data. Okay, so let me add some more data here. Okay, now look at here, my dear friend, this is today. I think today is 24th. Right, so look at here, the morning support was taken in the first few minutes itself. Right, the morning resistance was taken out in the first few minutes. Right, now this is the 30 minutes time frame. Look at here, Nifty futures chart, and look at here, once the high was taken out, again we always expect some pullback to the level which it was taken out, breakout level. Right now, breakout level here is somewhere around that 420 levels. Right now, look at here in these three bars. So market was taking some pause and it was like moving down. Right, so almost close to two red bars, and this was also red bar, but at the end of the this particular time it turned out to be green bar. Right now, I have to look at this these three bars. What was happening to the delta? What was happening to delta when it was approaching the support? Right, yes. Let me go back to order flow chart now. So this I'm doing analysis on 30 minutes time frame. Now should I look at 5 minutes on order flow, or should I look at 30 minutes on order flow? I should look at 30 minutes. Right, yes. So let me go to 30 minutes of order flow analysis. Sorry, this is market profile, and let me go back to order flow now. Right, so this is Nifty. My dear friends, look at here, I need to look at these three bars. So this is A, B, C, D, E. C, D, E, these three bars I need to look at the what was happening to delta. Right, yes. Yeah, look at here, my dear friends, what was happening here when it was approaching the support. Now resistance is taken out. Yeah, look at the delta here. So this is all about C period. The delta is somewhere around 75,000. And look at D bar, it is also making new low, and delta is somewhere around 53,000. Now look at this. This has approached 11,420, that particular range, and look at the delta. What has happened here? It turned completely positive. Now, do I call this as a positive delta divergence? Yes. Now, when there is a positive delta divergence at support, do you expect prices to move higher, or do you expect prices to come down? You expect prices to go up, or at least take a pause at this point. Right, yes. That is how I have to use this, my dear friends. And if you ask me, can I buy just by looking at this? No. Right, if you want to buy, if you want to initiate a trade, you can initiate above the morning high. Who can stop you? But if you want to just initiate a trade here at the support by looking at the delta, positive delta divergence, nowhere you can make money, my dear friends. Because let me tell you why. So price is hitting the support, and I can see some sellers are just the power of strength of selling is reducing. Meanwhile, the delta is increasing on the positive side. Now I can say these are all responsive buyers. If initiative players to come in, let me tell you the difference between responsive buyers and the initiative buyers. Are responsive buyers are the one who can buy through, like, act at a support, but maybe they will act it slowly. They cannot take prices higher like 100 odd points in next 1 hour or 30 minutes. But initiative players are the strongest one who can take prices higher in nifty 100 points. They have the power to take it 100 points higher in just 15 minutes, right? So responsive buyers are the, like, they are not the strongest, but whereas initiative buyers are the strongest one. When do I expect initiative buyers to come in? Look at here, only when the resistance is taken out. Already the resistance on the daily time frame is taken out. Now as an intraday time frame trader, I need to look at the intraday time frame, right? So look at the morning high created here, somewhere it is around 11,445, right? And look at, once that is taken out, look at all these buyers here. Do you see big buying here, or do you see big buying here? You are looking at the big buying in this bar, right? This is what I can call as initiative buyers, and these are more powerful than the responsive buyers here. And my job is to initiate a trade above a reference level which is created in the morning, right? Yes, that is how you can follow momentum. Now if we look at this, sorry my dear friends, the festival season and I cannot stop them from firing the crackers, and sorry for that. Okay, and look at here how beautifully these players, initiative players along with momentum buyers are also entered into the market. If momentum buyers entered, do you expect your target to reach within prescribed time, or do you expect prices to slowly hit your target? You expect them to hit the target, right, in within prescribed time, like 1 or 2 or whatever the mentioned time, right? And look at the move here from 10,450 to close to 11. Sorry, it's not 10,000, it's 11,450 to 11,500 within half an hour. And who can do that? Only momentum buyers, right? Yes, I want to chase moment buyers definitely, but I want to go with a momentum buyer, and that is how I can implement, my dear friends. Okay, superb. Hope you have learned delta divergence, when to apply it, when to buy it, where to keep stop loss also. But to keep the stop loss, you need to go with a market profile, my dear friends. Okay, you can use order flow also, definitely, but I suggest you to use it on using market profile. Okay, hope you have learned two lessons. Earlier, already you have learned what is momentum trading, but when to apply it is more important, right? Superb. Thank you, my dear friends.